welcome back to the Traders Network. I'm Michael Yorba, your host. Thanks for joining us. All right, we've got Nick Santiago, President and CEO in the Money Stocks. Nick, all right, CREE, you want to start off with this one here. Wow, what happened there?
Yeah, I wanted to start off with CREE today. This stock just got annihilated, and this is just going back to the theme that I've been talking about with you for probably over the past month. All these leading stocks are just really cratering, and you can just see the big decline in CREE. This stock actually wants to go back down to the $40 level. That's where I think traders can pick this one up. But this was a market leader for quite a while in 2013. Look at the move it had from 30 all the way up to 70, and now trading down at $56 after reporting earnings. But just goes to show you, it's a sign of the times. And today you could add Walmart and Cisco to that list as well.
All right. Well, are you looking to pick this up later, or just wanted to point this one out to everybody?
I wanted to point it out first, but you know what? I will be. I have been a buyer of this in the past, and I will pick it up around the $42 level. I think that's where traders could get interested. It's still, a pretty good company to have a very good technology, but we don't care about the story. We really just care about the chart, and the chart's telling me $42 is where you're looking at this thing.
Got it. All right, J.P. Morgan.
Yeah, J.P. Morgan, last week we were on your show. I said that J.P. Morgan would trade down to around 53. That's where the institutions will defend the stock. Today, the low of the day, I guess, was around 52.89. Right now it's trading at 53.20, so you could see how the institutions came in to defend it there. This is an inflection point. How the stock reacts here over the next couple of days is going to tell us a lot about the overall stock market indexes. So right now, JPM is being defended, but this is a critical level for this stock. If it fails to hold here, Michael, brace yourself. Things are going to start happening on the downside.
Target for the next leg down?
Next leg down for JPM would probably be around $45.
Okay. All right. Are you thinking that's going to be the support that holds, or that's just another way station?
No, I think that's going to be the support level that holds for this year.
Okay.
Next year it could just be just a short-term level. But this year in 2013, I think 45 will hold like a rock. So we'd be looking to be buyers down there at that level.
All right, that sounds good. Gold, GLD.
Yeah, GLD has had a great move. I know a lot of people are getting, very, very bullish on gold, and I would not get bullish on gold at the moment. Gold has had a very, very good reflex bounce, a tremendous move, but right here, I've alerted my subscribers that we were looking for a target of 132.40 on the GLD. It looks like today we got up pretty close to that level. I believe we got as high as 132.36, close enough for government work. Maybe it goes a little bit above that level, but there's a ton of resistance here. Let it pull back. Let it give you more of a pattern, then you could look at it again. I would not be a buyer of GLD here at this level.
Any support level you like better than others?
Not really. It's going to come down to the chart pattern, to be honest. It's really going to gold is still in a very, very – and I love gold, Michael. I've talked about gold on your show a million times. Right now it's all about the chart pattern. No levels really. I mean, the low that was made in June has held up, but, this is still in a fragile state. So as much as I love gold, it hit a big level today, and this is where I think traders want to schnizzle something off the table.
Okay. All right. That sounds good. D, I was just looking at the Russell on the futures market. It filled the gap, but not on the stock index. It looks like there's more to go after this big gap we had today. What do you think?
Yeah, well, if you look at the IWM, and we could look at the Russell futures as well, but I actually prefer looking at the IWM. I think the Russell's going to go down and pierce $100. Right now it's at 101.90. It's falling with pretty good volume today. If you take a look at the volume on the IWM, it's roughly 41.7 million shares. This is the highest volume we've seen in over a month. This wants to go lower. Don't fight this momentum. This thing is going to go down and pierce $100.
Okay. I know that you also do work on cyclical analysis basis. Do you have any time cycles going forward that you think would parallel or I should say intersect price and time in the future?
Yeah, well, we're in a cycle right now. We had a minor cycle on the 8th of August, and we're into another minor cycle on the 16th. That also can trigger a day or two before. So we've been actually bearish on the market, and I know you know that from my prior times I've been on your show. Yep. But we're looking for this market to go down. Depending on how the market reacts over the next couple of weeks, we could be in for more of a dramatic decline, maybe into later this fall.
Oh, okay. So you're not looking for a low in August. further out?
I think we'll get a bounce around the Labor Day holiday, obviously, but
Okay.
around that time, it's going to be time to look at the pattern. Right now, I'm only expecting the S&P to go down a little bit more, maybe 163, 163.50 on the spiders. On the cash S&P, maybe a move down to around 1635, 1630.
Yeah, that was my target. Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, right there, that's going to be the big inflection point. Depending on pattern, though, if the volume picks up, which it looks like it is starting to, then we could have a more significant drop.
Okay. When you say more significant drop, give us an idea what you mean by that.
Oh, then I'm thinking when I say more significant drop, somewhere test the 1500 level.
Okay. All right. Well, one step at a time. Let's see what happens at 1630.
That's right. We'll take it one step at a time.
All right. What is this SMH?
All right. The SMH is an ETF for the semiconductors.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason why I bring them up today is because the NASDAQ has been leading the markets higher. But the semiconductors, the SMH, has been trading below the 50 moving average. And you could actually see that this topped out on the 17th and now trading significantly below the 50-day moving average. This is very, very important. Whenever you see the semiconductors lagging the actual NASDAQ composite index, it's a warning sign. And that was also one of the things that I was looking at to alert my subscribers, hey, don't be bullish on this market right now. This market is very, very vulnerable, although the light volume has been in play, keeping it pieced together. But you could see today we're seeing some really good sell-side action.
Do you give me some where you think it's going with the the furtherness of this?
The semis are probably into a little bit of support here, but really this SMH can get down to around the 35.50 level, which is still a couple bucks lower than where it is trading right now at 37.35. So I think around 35 it starts to look interesting. It ultimately can get as low as 34. That's where we'd look to pick this up for a bounce.
Okay. All right. That'd be a long way from here. Good trade. Tell me what happened in this trading room today.
Yeah, trading room right off the bat, Michael. Within the first few minutes, we nailed two morning gap plays. One was Onyx Pharmaceuticals. The other was Dillard's. Both were winners, and we've had 3 spider trades from there as well, all winners today. So 5 for 5 in the books.
Not too bad. That is so good. All right. Tell everybody how to get in that room. We're out of time.
Yeah, come on over to In the Money Stocks. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. I mean, we don't just do intraday scalping. We do a lot of swing trades in there as well, and you get to ask questions as much as you like, and you get to see our desktops. I mean, it's just a great setup, and you get to make money while you learn.
Isn't that nice?
Sure, certainly is.
All right, Nick, thanks for coming on the show.
Thank
Appreciate
you, Michael.
it.
Have a great day.
All right, my pleasure. All right, Nick Santiago, President, CEO, In the Money Stocks. I mean, the guys make me proud when they come on and they do things like that. All right.